Hello learners, today we will continue active and passive voice. Today our topic is detransitive verbs, interrogative sentence into passive voice and imperative sentence into passive voice. Detransitive verb with two objects. So far it has been discussed that a sentence may be changed into passive voice when the transitive verb has only one object. Already I told you we can change active into passive voice when it is in transitive verb has only one object. Okay, it is transitive verb and only one object. When a transitive verb has two objects, okay, then there are two possible way of converting the sentence into the passive voice. In such a sentence, either of the two object may be used as the subject. Okay, like one example is given: he gave us some almonds. Okay, then two objects are there. One is direct, another is indirect. Almonds, some almonds, direct object, and us is the indirect object. Okay, us indirect object. Then we can make sentence, change it into passive in two ways. First way, some almonds were, because it is in past tense, gave past tense, so we have to use were. Some almonds were given to us. Okay, otherwise we can start with indirect object also. We were given some almonds. Okay, first one example first, mostly we prefer direct object. Okay, few more examples: he gave her some roses, then some roses were given to her. We know the facts are known to us. She made him complete the task. He was made to complete the task. Now you can ask question, why we are not using by? Use of by becomes unnecessary in the passive voice when emphasis is on action rather than the doer. Okay, when we give more importance to the action, then by is not compulsory. When the doer is unknown, when the doer of the action is obvious, or when the doer of the action is a large group of different individual, then it is not, if we will not use by, then also a sentence is okay. Next is conversion of interrogative sentence into passive voice. Okay, this exercise we will do, I will give its answer at last. Okay, last of this video. Conversion of interrogative sentence into passive voice. Do they watch the match every month? Okay, question is, do they watch the match every month? Okay, first cut do. Okay, they watch the match every month. Okay, now convert it into passive voice. Then what will you write? The match, it is in present tense, then the match is watched by them. What will you write? The match is watched by them every month. Okay, now positive sentence you have written. Now change into interrogative. Then is will come first. Is the match watched by them every month? Okay, next is, did mother bake these biscuits? Then mother bake these biscuits. First you have to only read mother bake these biscuits. Then these biscuits were baked by mother. Okay, it is in past tense, so use were. These biscuits were made by mother. Then make it in passive interrogative. Were these biscuits baked by mother? Okay, in the same way you have to convert all these. Next is conversion of imperative sentence into passive voice. Imperative. In imperative sentence can be converted into the passive voice by following a few steps. First step is, the passive structure of a command or order begin with let. Okay, begin with let. The imperative verb change to be plus past participle. Okay, like let the poor not be ill-treated. Be plus past participle. Second point is to change an advice or suggestion into passive form. We change the object of the imperative sentence into the subject of the passive structure. The verb expressing the advice or suggestion becomes should and must. Okay, should or must plus be and past participle form of the verb. Okay, past participle, that is same. Okay, for request and suggestion we have to use should or must. Like one example one given here, take medicines at regular timing. Okay, advice is there, then first take medicine, object is medicine, then should be, here given should or must you have to use, medicine should be, then third form of the verb, take is the verb, then taken, medicine should be taken at regular timing. Second one, call the police. Okay, call the police, then the police must be called. Okay, change in modals. Modals may call, might call, we can change them into may be called or might be called. Okay, one can't climb cliffs, then cliffs can't be climbed. We may call the watchman, the watchman may is there, then might be called. Okay, passive voice is commonly used in formal writing. It is used while writing scientific reports, writing headlines and advertisement, writing formal notices or making announcement, writing newspaper reports. Okay, these are the answer of question of next question S and T. Okay, student, write these answers, and these are U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, all are given here. Complete this exercise. Okay, thank you.